So name of our project is Soil and Ambient Air Quality Measurement and Logging System. This project is run by three of us, namely Bharat Pai SAP 60, Vishesh Arya SAP 62 and Pratham Modi Diploma 5. So in this project, we will be looking at the internet-based air quality and how the soil quality is measured. Remedial actions can be taken quite easily if the airborne pollutants are known. So all of these things can be done with the help of Internet of Things. For this, we are using three sensors, namely BME 280, which will measure pressure, temperature and humidity, DSM 501A, which will help us measuring PM 2.5 and PM 10, MQ 135, which will help us measuring the CO2 values. All of these values, once measured, can be showcased on either laptop or mobile phones using Node-RED. They need to send their soil to the state-funded soil laboratories. There they measure pH, temperature and all those values, which are the basic terminology used to characterize the soil. In the laboratories, they measure 12 different parameters like NPK, which are the micronutrients, secondary nutrients, macronutrients, and pH and organic carbon content, which are the physical parameters. In this project, we are calculating 4 parameters, which are NPK and pH. Entire of this process is done by using the soil health kit, which is offered by the Agrinex Corporation. Once these values are obtained, we will showcase them on the via internet on mobile phones and various physical devices like laptops, PCs and all through Node-RED.
So I'll be explaining the air quality measurement part and the Internet of Things part, where we are sending the data from from ESP32 to Raspberry Pi using MQTT protocol. So this is our air quality measurement setup. This is the DSM 501M, this is the MQ135 sensor, and this is the BME 280 sensor. BME 280 sensor senses temperature, humidity and pressure. MQ135 is a gas sensor which senses CO2 levels, and DSM 501A is the dust sensor which senses PM 2.5 and PM 10 levels. We are interfacing these sensors with ESP32 and sending it to Raspberry Pi using MQTT protocol. Using Raspberry Pi, we are hosting Node-RED and displaying it on the Node-RED dashboard using GUI values. So this is our dashboard, and this is the current values that we are reading from the sensors. And if we want to see direct values, we have even that. Here are the direct values that we can see of temperature, humidity, CO2 pressure and PM10, PM2.5.
We will be having a look at the soil quality testing. So we will check the pH value. So this is the color sensor TCS3200, and I have a solution of mixing the soil sample with the distilled water, and this is the pH capsule that has been provided to us by Agrinex Corporation. So if I mix the solution of soil sample and this capsule, we will obtain a color in a test tube after mixing that. And once we mix that, we will dip the tissue paper into the sample of this solution, and via the TCS320 sensor we will be able to measure the pH value of that. So we will be measuring this pH by using this testing kit chart. So if we see the solution over here, which is quite close to mildly acidic, which is at 6. So the pH that we can see here was pH 6 and it was mildly acidic. So now I have this is a tissue that I have dipped into the solution. So now if I use this color sensor, we can see over here on the dashboard that the pH value is 6 and it is mildly acidic.